Hello everyone, my name is Reto Meier and welcome to This Week in Android Development for October 15th, 2012. This week's challenge for regular viewers, figure out which of these shots are live and which are green screened. Last week in Android Development we celebrated Tablet Week by releasing new promotional sections in Google Play to highlight great tablet apps. Developers can check out the Android Developer blog to learn more about building quality tablet apps. If you want to skip the unwrapping and jump straight to the juicy marrow, check out the Tablet App Quality Checklist to feed on the knowledge of what it takes to build an app that's designed for the growing number of Android tablet users. We're all about quality here at Android Developer Relations, so we've also released these core app quality guidelines, a checklist for your release process that will ensure your apps delight rather than disappoint. Continuing our tablet theme this week, Nick, Roman and Adam talked responsive design in Android Design in Action. If designing for tablets sounds like a lot of hard work for an undetermined gain, check out these developer stories detailing how Mint.com, TinyCo and Instapaper took advantage of the tablet opportunity. We spoke to the development teams behind all three apps on last Thursday's Developer Strike Back. Check out the YouTube video to learn how these developers overcame the challenges to build successful tablet apps. On last Friday's App Clinic, we once again tried to review video player apps Cinex Player, MX Player and Dice Player. Sadly, the sheer overwhelming anticipation of this long-awaited broadcast resulted in an unprecedented demand from viewers tuning in live, which may, or may not, have caused YouTube's servers to spontaneously combust. It was only after we'd completed our greatest ever live performance that we realized that not only had we not been broadcasting, we hadn't been recording either. Determined never to be defeated, we will be trying this one more time, broadcasting at the special one-off bonus time of 11:30 AM Pacific time this Tuesday. Meanwhile, undeterred by our repeated failures, Nick, Roman and Adam will be broadcasting their UX makeover on two of the video players we seem entirely unable to review live on the App Clinic on this week's Android Design in Action. Then on Friday, Ian and I will once again tempt fate and the gods themselves as we attempt to broadcast the App Clinic on Friday morning, this week looking at shopping apps. After the YouTube servers were brought back to life last Friday, Ian joined the indomitable Dan Galpin for the Friday Games Review. Dan will be back again this Friday with an as-yet undetermined sidekick for another episode of the Friday Games Review. As always, you can catch our weekly office hours in London, Mountain View and Sydney, and as always, you can find all of last week's shows and the schedule for this week at Google Developers Live, that's developers.google.com/live/Android. In breaking news this week, the long-awaited and much-anticipated new Google Play Developer Console was released today for everyone's app analysis and publishing pleasure. You can log in and check it out right now, or check out the post on the Android Developer blog to find out more details before taking the plunge. In other developer news, last week saw the launch of free trial periods for in-app subscriptions. That's all in Android development news this week. As always, we look forward to you joining us for our many live shows, and remember, before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. My name is Reto Meier. Thanks for watching.